What a beautiful sunny day it is today. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Yeah, nope. Looks can be deceiving. And this is the deceiving look. Here's the temp for today, the high temp. Yep, that's Minnesota for you. And it's all my fault because I was going to put a heater in the garage in the fall, and I was so busy, and fall came and went, and now we got this. No riding, obviously, but I do need to do some maintenance on the TW. So let me show you what I got going, because I'm not doing it out here in my unheated garage. This is just too much. So here's my here's my workbench, which is commonly called the floor, and my little camera stand and my motor. And oh, there's my other workbench. There's my box of goodies. Swing arm's got to come in, the rear tire, clean up the swing arm, rebuild the bushings, and I need to pull them forks off right there, which I need to do quickly because at these temps it's just pretty much unbearable. Minus 11 for a high will even make a grown man cry after a few minutes. And there's my heater right there. It's called a halogen floor lamp. So let's move this stuff inside and see if we can do it and survive the whole process. Okay, now I'm in my garage and got all my warmest gear I could possibly find, and taking off the front wheel first before I tackle the forks, which won't be a big deal. Probably the hardest thing you're going to deal with on the front wheel is removing this speedometer cable. Let me zoom in on that for you. Get right in there. You can see, come on baby, there's a clip right down inside there. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. There's a clip that retains the speedometer cable on. This is a 1995 model, so I believe on the newer models your speedo cable is up here, and you have a rotor instead of a drum. So first thing you got to tackle is this clip. Best thing I found is just to get a pick tool, pick it out of there. Easy peasy. So it's probably the hardest thing to remove. See if I can't fast forward this for you. It's kind of equally as difficult to get it out. See if I push right here. I don't know. Yeah, I took it out already and put it back in, and it was kind of a booger. See if I can get some more light on that so you can see it. Is that more visible? Don't know. It's hard to tell. My lighting sucks in my garage. I was able to pull it off pretty easy, but getting it back in was a pain, and now getting it back out again is a pain. I'm sure there's a special tool for this or something. We'll putz with it. Okay, there you go. Grab it by the back. It's kind of square-ish, rectangle-ish. Slide that on. There we go. There we go. You see what I mean? It's you see what I mean? It's kind of a rectangle, rectangle-ish clip, not round. And that's kind of a booger to get back in. And to pull the speedo cable out, you just simply pull on it. There we go. That's out. Just has an O-ring right here that keeps crud out. I might replace that O-ring. Seems to be in good shape. It's not cracked or anything. Okay. Let me zoom back in. Out. Tuck that away somewhere. It won't get damaged. There we go. For the front brake cable, you need a 12 millimeter here. I think it's in this bracket right here. Just release the top, and you can pull. God, that lighting sucks, don't it? And you can pull that out, and then pull your cable out. Come on, baby. There we go. Okay. Brake cable's out. Now all we have to do is release the axle nuts. And on the my 1995 model, the axle nut is a 19 millimeter on this side and a 22 on the other. So unlike, I believe, the newer models, it's 19 and 19. So this one's 19, 22. So let's get that off. Okay, let's see if we can't get this wheel off with no issue. Let's see. Oh, come on, baby. 19 here, and 22 on the other side. Oh, there we go. She's dirty. This one had no cotter pin on it. Probably should have. Let me get my dead blow. That axle out of there. There she goes. She's not going to come out. Come on, baby. There we go. There. Uh-oh. Leave her hang, take the forks out. Take the forks off, I should say. I think those look like, oh, I don't know, 14s maybe? Let's try a 12. Yeah, 12 millimeters. I'm just going to crack them loose. Got the 10 on top. 12's on the bottom, 10 on top. Where's my 10? Need my 10. There's my 10. A little stubby 10. Wouldn't hurt you to use a ratchet frostbite, you know. Wouldn't hurt you none. Let's see if they pop out now. Yeah, there they go. Cool. There, got them out as a unit. Won't fall. There we go. Okay, that's about it for this episode. The next thing to tackle is pulling out the headlight, gauge clusters, all the wiring harness. What's that? That looks new. Maybe not. Handlebars, triple tree, steering stem, and I'm going to replace the steering stem bearings at some point. Wow, look at that. Some foam on there that's rotting all the crap. Anyways, That's about all I can tolerate for today in this cold temps. My toes are about frozen off. It's about, I think right now the sun's going down about 15 below zero or so. It's going to get down to 20, 25 below zero tonight. Brutally cold, brutally cold. The rest of the world has cold, and then there's Minnesota cold. We get we get cold, man. So anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode, which I don't know what that's going to be. No idea. I don't know. I guess just pulling all this crap off. Adios. Thanks a lot.